Dog at vet, having the worst day ever. I mean, he's screaming like the entire hospital has wronged him.
Somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
Don't want to alarm anyone, but something is happening. Oh no, that whimper sounds like the needle hit straight in the heart. Here comes the husky queen, one scream, and the entire clinic is in chaos. The dog's like, "This is not the road to the park. I knew it." Oh dear, he's screaming like someone's torturing him, not trimming his nails. Just hang on a bit. The whole world is laughing and feeling sorry for you. Well, the reaction arrived way before the shot. Classic husky drama queen crying like she's being put through pure torture. Surgery's done. Pain not confirmed drama activated first. So pitiful he's just not used to the clinic yet.
What it's like taking my husky to the vet. Constant sass. Singing the
If this is just the
people.
intro, the shot is definitely the grand finale.
Then the inevitable defeat.
When you go to the vet with your balls, but can't find them when your mom picks you up.
Not much pain, but emotionally devastated. Poor baby screaming like he's about to blow up the whole clinic. Just a tiny touch and he's already like, "Please spare me, soul completely gone." He may look quiet now, but he's definitely charging up for a tantrum. Honestly heartbreaking, acting like the shot is something terrifying. She's letting the whole world know she did not approve of this trip. He heard the clinic door open and started shaking like he met his destiny. And the Oscar for the most dramatic dog goes to this guy. So dramatic, I swear he's imagining the worst-case scenario. Nothing's happened yet, but the emotions are already at their peak. Sounds like he's accusing the vet of committing a crime against him. Oh, he's crying, like he's about to enter a life or death battle. Look at that face, he's acting like he's being tortured. Well, that scream says I'm being severely injured right now. Everyone gets scared of the vet, eventually, even a mighty GSD like you. Just look at that shaking, you can tell how terrified he is. Just listen to that scream, poor baby, it must hurt so bad.
还没扎呢，你跟个小猪似的。那血管还没找着，你说。
Oh my gosh, calm down, baby. The vet hasn't even touched the needle yet. Those eyes belong to someone in full panic mode. Oh my gosh, hear him scream? He's totally like, I'm suing this entire clinic. So dramatic, he makes the vet look like the main villain.
反応が正反対なはんぺんちゃんと昆布くん。
That worried face is like, what are you planning to do to me? A vet visit that feels like walking into a horror movie. Calm down, sweetheart. The vet isn't even here yet. Sounds like he's saying it's dangerous here. I want to go home. Restless inside and out, vet visit instantly turns on anxiety mode.
It's okay, Mommy. London, no. Stop. No, London, no.
That side eye like, please, just pretend I don't exist. Oh no, he's so scared he's completely frozen. Poor baby. Don't act like it's the end of the world. It's literally just a nail trim.
记住这个笑点，我真的很紧张，意识到自己没长。
Oh my gosh! Look at him. Feels like it's about to bite the vet any second. You can tell the anxiety hit the limit.
Man, I'm tired of people calling me cute. I gotta show them I'm a vicious dog. I'm vicious. Let me practice. Man, I'm tired of people calling me cute. I gotta show them I'm a vicious dog. I'm vicious. Let me practice.
Exactly like I'm a vicious dog. Don't touch me.
Vicious. Don't touch me.
Well, a round of applause for this award-winning performance at the vet. Poor baby, that look of why me. That look says, someone please get me out of here. Classic Chihuahua. Tiny body, huge attitude, absolutely refusing to go to the vet.
No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't.
Lying flat like this means he has absolutely no intention of cooperating. While others scream, Max chooses silent acceptance.
Are you gonna talk to me? B?
He's mad now. Go buy some treats or don't even talk to him.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Hopefully I'll see you later.
So we noticed our Doberman got bit or stung by something on his snout because it was pretty swollen. We took him to the vet. They checked him out.
No.
And they came
That
to the
worried face
conclusion that
says,
it was probably
is something
a
wrong with
sting.
me, vet?
They gave him some Benadryl and sent us home. He did so good. What a good boy, Draco.
Even the vet is startled. Here comes the clinic's most unique patient. Definitely special patient crying, like it's about to sue the whole clinic.